Hello guys, so in this video I will show you how to find the limit of this sequence. So to find the limit of this sequence we need to find a limit sequence that is bigger than this sequence and a sequence that is smaller than this sequence. Saying that we need to find un that is smaller than Vn and Un that is bigger than Wn. So we will start with, we know that the floor function of k multiplied by x is bigger than k multiplied by x minus 1, kx minus 1, and it's smaller or equal than to kx, and we will plug the sum on the three sides. So we have the sum of the floor function of kx from k equal to 1 to n, yes, kx is smaller than the sum from k equal to 1 to n of kx, and it's bigger than, in a strict sense, than k equal to 1 to n of kx minus 1. So we have x that is not, we can make x outside the sum because it's not in function of k. So we have k multiplied by the sum of k minus the sum of 1 is smaller than the sum of the floor function, and it is smaller than x multiplied by the sum of k. I have make a mistake there. It should be k. So the sum of k is equal to the n multiplied by n plus 1 over 2, because it's arithmetic sequence, minus n. So we have the sum of 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times is equal to n, and so it's smaller than the sum of the floor function, and it's smaller than x multiplied by n factor of n plus 1 over 2. So here I multiplied by 1 over n squared in the three sides, so I will get my sequence, and here I will just simplify by n, and so I will get this, and here I will, so finally I got that my function is bigger than x multiplied by n plus 1 over 2n minus 1 over n, and smaller than x multiplied by n plus 1 over 2n. So I will calculate the limit of both this sequence, and if I have the same limits, so it's the limit of my sequence. So here this converges where 1 over 2, and here is converges where 0, so all of this will converge where x over 2. So we know that our limit is x over 2, obviously. So we have the limit of x multiplied by n plus 1 over 2n is equal to x over 2. So the limit of un is equal to x over 2. So please guys, subscribe and leave a like and comment down.